Hi everyone, I'm Shelly Gupta, founder and CEO of BāKIT Box. It's Saturday morning and you've spent all week figuring out what activity to do with your kids. It has to be something that will help them learn, will keep their attention, and that you can be part of, but it also needs to be a fun and new experience and doesn't require an IKEA-like assembly just to get started. Now, not even Mary Poppins can pull this off, yet parents are facing the same dilemma week after week after week. Explore a world of experiences with BāKIT Box. BāKIT Box is the at-home family baking kit teaching STEM lessons through food and culture. From Persian love cake to Mexican churros to South African black pepper cookies, hop around the map as your kids' taste buds and neurons get treated. Every ingredient is pre-measured with easy color-coded recipes and even learning activities for when the item's in the oven. With BāKIT Box, win Saturday morning, Sunday afternoon, and every other opportunity for family time. BāKIT Box is a hit. We've sold over 30,000 in our first 6 months with a 5-star rating, and we're raising capital to create the next generation of memories. Join us in creating a new category of STEM through baking. Thank you.